Welcome to your 8-minute full body stretch. Let's begin lying on our backs, soles of both feet planted, rolling yourself all the way down, and then hugging your right knee in towards your chest, interlacing your fingers over that knee. Use your hands to begin circling the knee, making small movements to wake up the hip. And you're welcome to extend your left leg if you'd like. Switching sides, set the sole of the right foot down, hugging the left knee in and circling it around. Keep the right foot planted, or choose if you'd like to extend the leg. Release the knee, extending through both legs and propping yourself up onto your elbows. Start nodding the head as you bring the chin towards your chest, and then look up towards the sky. Take this a few times at your own range of motion, pulling the shoulder blades together behind you to lift the heart. Release the neck motion and lift one leg up and then the other, almost as if you're marching in place, working through the front of the thighs to wake them up. And release. Press yourself up to a seated position, propping up on fingertips behind you, and rock your head from ear to ear, keeping your shoulders nice and low. Release. Swing your legs behind you so that you can come towards an all-fours position on hands and knees. For a few cat-cows, inhaling to arch the spine and exhaling to round. Working through the entire back, shifting in one direction and then the other. And if you'd like, you could even trace a circle with your rib cage, once or twice in each direction. And switch directions if you hadn't already with that circle. Release the movement for neutral spine, widen the knees, and sit yourself back towards child's pose. Deep breath in through the nose and out. Lift yourself back up, closing the knees. Step the right foot forwards now, finding a lunge position. And placing your right hand onto your right knee, opening up towards a twist. You can look over your right shoulder. If you'd like a little bit more, you can bring the fingertips onto that shoulder and draw big circles backwards with your right elbow. Really reaching it in all directions. Then bring your fingertips back to the mat and start backing up the hips, rocking a little bit forwards and back until eventually you bring the right leg to a semi-straight position. Keeping a bend in the knee is absolutely fine. And let's switch legs, bringing the left foot forward now. Left hand on the knee for your twist. Option to add on fingertips on the shoulder, big circles backwards with the elbow. and release. Fingertips to the mat, forwards and back a few times with the hips. Eventually ending up in our half split position with a generous bend in that left knee. Think about driving your heel down into the mat. Big stretch to the back of the leg. And return to all fours, tucking the toes, lifting the knees as we end up in a forward fold. You could hold opposite elbows and sway from side to side. And let's roll ourselves all the way up to stand, coming towards the center of your mat for a little balance challenge with our tree pose. Bringing the sole of the right foot to the inner left leg, that could be to the calf or to the inner thigh, and the hands to prayer in front of your heart. Find the gazing spot in front of you to help with balance, and then softly set that foot down, and we'll switch sides. Sole of the left foot comes somewhere towards the inside of your right leg. Press the foot into the leg and the leg into the foot. Deep breath in and exhale to release. Plant your feet a little bit wider than your hips. Cross your arms and allow that to drag your upper body back towards the mat. Before returning the fingertips to the mat and setting one knee down at a time. To sit. Roll your shoulders back. Take a gentle twist towards the right. And then bring yourself through center to twist over towards the left. Return to center. Thank yourself for turning up today. As we inhale the arms to the sky, allow yourself a smile. As you exhale them down to your heart. Beautifully done. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this practice as much as I enjoyed making it for you. Have a beautiful day.